Superaffiliate System Review, is it worth the money? The worldwide offshoot promoting industry is developing at a quick speed, with conjectures anticipating that it will have multiplied in size by 2025, from its total assets of generally $4 billion of every 2015. This isn't astounding considering measurements show that in 2017 alone, 170 million exchanges were made through member promoting. One approach to guarantee you get a slice of this pie is by putting resources into a subsidiary promoting course. The lone issue is, there are in a real sense a huge number of courses out there from proficient advertisers. Arranging the jewels from the unpleasant can be very difficult. This is the reason I am distributing this Superaffiliate System audit. Superaffiliate System is a notable offshoot showcasing course that many individuals have attempted and affirmed accomplishment with. In any case, this bundle is on the expensive side, so before you hit purchase, you will need to discover all that you can about this course to choose if it is ideal for you. The incredible news is, you're in the ideal spot to do exactly that. Peruse on as I separate precisely what Superaffiliate System includes, just as its upsides and downsides, and if it merits the cash. What is the Superaffiliate System? The Superaffiliate System is a course made by John Crystani intended to give partner advertisers all they require to begin headed straight toward turning into a super member. Super subsidiaries, like John, are associate advertisers who have grown exceptionally fruitful systems that net many thousands, if not millions, of dollars of net gain. While super partners aren't conceived for the time being, the Superaffiliate System is proposed to quick-track the advertiser's advancement by giving them the instruments to set up fruitful subsidiary promoting programs consistently. What's in the Superaffiliate System? The Superaffiliate System is quite possibly the most broad seminars available, containing more than 50 hours of substance and spreading over about a month and a half. The program highlights video talks and instructional exercises, matched with schoolwork tasks and tests to test maintenance of the material. What the program covers. The Superaffiliate System is intended to furnish member advertisers with a complete framework for turning out to be super subsidiaries. Consequently, the scope of this course is broad. Contained inside the modules are the accompanying spaces of data/study. Facebook advertisements. Google advertisements. Local advertisements. YouTube advertisements. Social advertisements. Content creation. Site creation. Specialty choice. Associate organizations. Scaling. Snap pipes. Following and testing. Progressed techniques. These are only a portion of the primary themes covered inside the program. Other than giving broad data on these subjects, John Crystani likewise works effectively of exploring material and controlling advertisers through the work. Who's it for? The Superaffiliate System is custom-made to be novice cordial. It is planned so that nearly anyone who needs to begin with offshoot showcasing can utilize it as their launch pad, regardless of the fact that they are so new to the ideas. Simultaneously, John Crystani's framework additionally gives significant data and bits of knowledge to longtime partner advertisers. The substance is rich and inside and out sufficient that it can yield worth to experts also as fledglings and can help experienced associate advertisers arrive at new income levels. Advantages and disadvantages of Superaffiliate System. By and large, the Superaffiliate System is a quality bundle that offers veritable benefit to the individuals who buy it. Assuming you were pondering is super offshoot framework a trick? Answer is absolutely not. Nonetheless, there are a couple of expected downsides to this specific course. We should investigate the upsides and downsides of Superaffiliate System. Professionals. Presumably the most considerable genius to the Superaffiliate System is its breadth, just as its worth to both novice and favorable to even-out offshoot advertisers. The other top quality that this program offers is that it's amended every year to reflect changes in instruments and administrations used to carry out the program just as fruitful online methodologies. The online space changes exceptionally quick, as do administrations and associate instruments. Dissimilar to other less mainstream courses that may never be reconsidered, Super Affiliate System will yield current and usable data all through the material. The construction of the course is likewise clear and very much spread out. Alongside that, the update segments, schoolwork and tests are useful for holding the gathering of data covered. Another concluded master is the help purchasers who buy this course get. Whenever clients have pursued the program, they get admittance to a devoted web promoting discussion, the Facebook gathering, and understudy email support. Cons. The main downside to Super Affiliate System can be the expense. Presently, the cost of the program is $997. This sum can be parted into 3 portions of $397. While this can be a great deal of cash for a few offshoot advertisers who completely carry out the information they secure through the program will probably see a profit from this cost. Another possible downside to the Super Affiliate System is that a few regions, like Google Ads, could be canvassed in more detail. Notwithstanding, for the size and extent of the course, this is a lesser disadvantage. Does Super Affiliate System really work? The Super Affiliate System is a top-to-bottom program giving definite preparing on the best way to assemble fruitful subsidiary frameworks. Simultaneously, it requires work and application to finish the program and put the procedures laid out in it under a magnifying glass. In the event that you peruse the Super Affiliate site, you will see some included audits and tributes from advertisers who saw amazing outcomes in the wake of utilizing the framework. Be that as it may, member showcasing isn't an easy money scam, nor is John's Super Affiliate System. A great deal of commitment, time, and difficult work are required. Is it worth the money? Is Super Affiliate System worth the cash? That truly relies upon you. On the off chance that you are not kidding about a profession as an offshoot advertiser and have the opportunity to carry out the procedures spread out in Super Affiliate System, then, at that point indeed, it presumably is. Then again, on the off chance that you have a propensity for beginning things and never completing them, or are searching for a pyramid scheme, then, at that point no, it's presumably not going to pay off. Did you get what you need from this Super Affiliate System review? Since you have within scoop on the Super Affiliate System, you are better prepared to choose whether or not this program is for you. In the event that you track down this Super Affiliate System audit accommodating, and are anxious to begin plotting your means as an offshoot advertiser, I suggest that you likewise read this post on discovering your specialty. In the event that you need any expert support to begin with your online endeavor, you're in the correct spot. Reach us today and let us help you through our expert showcasing and SEO consultancy administrations. For more information about the course, just click the link in the description down below.